Hello, we are Group 1, and we will be talking about gas exchange in the lungs and how it regulates the pH levels of the body. Gas exchange is a primary function of the lungs, involving the transfer of oxygen from inhaled air into the blood and transfer of carbon dioxide from the blood to the exhaled air. The lungs contain many small air sacs called alveoli. These alveoli enlarge the lung surface area, allowing for more gas exchange to occur.
Thin capillaries surround the alveoli that allow access to the bloodstream. These capillaries are separated from the lungs by a thin, selectively permeable membrane less than half a millimeter thick. Gas exchange starts when air is first inhaled into the lungs and enters the alveoli. The oxygen in the air is then transported into the bloodstream through a process called diffusion. Diffusion is a process in which transport is driven by a concentration gradient. Gas molecules move from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. This diffusion occurs passively, passive being that no energy is required for this transportation process.
The concentration of oxygen is way higher in the alveoli than in the capillaries, so the oxygen will go through passive diffusion by going from the higher concentration of oxygen to the lower concentration of oxygen in the capillaries and enter the bloodstream. While for the carbon dioxide, the concentration of carbon dioxide is higher in the bloodstream than in the alveoli, so the carbon dioxide enters the alveoli from the capillaries due to passive diffusion, as high concentration of carbon dioxide in the capillaries move to the lower concentration in the alveoli, resulting in an equilibrium of concentration. As carbon dioxide levels rise, the pH level of the water the carbon dioxide mixes in decreases, causing it to be slightly acidic. As this is not good for the body, the lungs play an important role in regulating the pH level of a body by removing waste carbon dioxide.